Hi everyone. Apparently I'm in a blue mood today. My fingernails are blue, my paper's blue. I'm just feeling blue. Not that I'm feeling sad, just blue. Um, I think I'm going to do a old classic um, pattern that we haven't done in a really long time, and that is Cadent. One of my favorites. Oops, I forgot to turn my light on. So you guys see a shadow. I'm sorry about that. Let's get that. Oh, much better. Clear, crisp, awesome. Um, and I'm just going to do a simple cadent and as a base, and that's where we're going to start. I got myself a yellow gel pen. Why? I don't know. Just felt appropriate. So for cadent, you want to just do circles in a kind of a grid. I always do my cadent backwards from the quote-unquote official step out. I always have, probably always will, and it doesn't matter. You're supposed to do a backwards sort of S shape, and I always just do an S shape. Doesn't matter as long as you do everything consistently. There's my grid. And then connecting one set of dots to the other with an S shape or a backwards S shape, whichever one you prefer. I prefer the S shape, just like that. Connect them two together. I should have done from the top to the bottom instead of the bottom to the top, so I don't stick my fingers in. Make sure that's dry. Just so I don't get my fingers in a wet spot. And you just make this S sort of shape. And this is super easy to remember, and it always looks so effective. And people go, gosh, how did you do that? And it's a super easy pattern. It's one of the ones I like to teach beginners of patterning because it just looks so pretty. That didn't draw very well. There we go. Problem of gel pens is sometimes the pen doesn't cooperate. Just like that. I'm going to wipe off the tip because gel pens also tend to get a little globby. And then I'm going to do that the other direction. Just simple. And see what shape that emerges? It looks like a really hard shape to draw. Look how easy it is. Come on, you didn't draw very well. So how have you guys been? I have not been out in the studio for a couple days, so hopefully you guys have been well. Let's see, you're going to see this on let me look at my calendar. You're going to see this on a Friday, so you won't have seen this. I mean, it hasn't been that long since you saw my last video. Look how simple and easy Cadent is. And now you can embellish however you want to embellish it. But look at 5 minutes, boom, easy, done. Um, I may decide that I'm going to do some of them also going diagonally. I told you guys about the sale, the boutique we were having at our church. Um, Puzzles didn't sell very well. I only sold one. One is good. I don't think it was the right venue. People weren't really looking for it. And I knew that they're a little pricey for that type of venue as well. On the good uh, side, my husband did a pretty decent brisk sale at the end, right? All day it was like dead. And then right at the end, people came back and purchased some plants. I think plants are one of those kinds of things that people, they come by your booth, they see what you've got, and they come back at the end when they're just about ready to go home because they don't want to carry plants around the whole event. So, what do I want to do with this? I don't think I want to do anything else. Anyway, just want to let you know that that's what that is. Like I said, make a comment below if purchasing I think I want to color it. I think I do want to color in the dots. If purchasing a custom puzzle from me is something that you want to see, after the first of the year, I will try working on it. If it's something people will actually buy, I don't really know. The other thing is I wanted to tell you guys, remember, if you want to possibly win one of these pieces of art that I'm drawing in these last couple of weeks, I will be doing a giveaway, but you guys, I'm not going to do it until we hit 30,000 subscribers. That's going to be my 30,000 subscriber giveaway celebration thingy. And we're not there yet. At least not as of the day that I'm drawing this. We are not there yet. So if you have not yet subscribed, I would ask that you do that so that we can get to that number. You don't have to be a subscriber to enter for the giveaway, but we do have to have 30,000 subscribers before I do the giveaway. Does that make sense? I haven't looked lately to see how many I'm at. Let me look real quick. You guys can peruse this. I can look at it and study it and decide if there's something else I want to add to it. I think I want to add some kind of swirls around the edge, something around the edge, maybe with this green pen. Let me do this real quick and I will tell you how many subscribers we've got at this very moment of the day that I am recording this. 28,874. We don't have that many that we have to get to. I've had 116 new subscribers in the last month, which is not going to get us there very soon. It'll take, what, 1, 2... It'll take me like a year before we get to 30,000 subscribers. You guys, I don't want to wait a year. Come on. Push that button for me. I know you guys are out there because if I look at my analytics, about half of you have not hit the subscribe button. And you're not going to get bugged by me or anything. all it will do is help YouTube tell people that, you know, this is a channel that people want to watch, and that they will suggest my videos to more people who watch art videos. That's all that will happen. So if you wouldn't mind doing that, I would totally appreciate it. Yeah, it needed little swirly bits just to give it a little something around the edge. Yeah, I like it. Okay. This is going to be a quick one because this was easy to do. Cadent is such a fun pattern, and then you can just play with it however you want to play with it. You can't really tell that there's two different colors there, that there's a green and a yellow, but I can clearly see it. We'll just sign it. Put the name of it on there. And we'll be done for today. Quick and easy. You guys have a great day. Have a wonderful weekend. It's going to be, let's see, it's going to be the 19th of November, almost to Thanksgiving. You guys are prepared for Thanksgiving? I got a blessing and am actually going to have the day off, which is incredible. And my son is going to come home for the weekend, and I'm excited. So you guys have a great day. Get your Thanksgiving stuff together for this weekend, because it's coming up for next weekend, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.